In this class, we are to look at the differences between Python and C++. Differences between Python and C++. Remember, you are here at Palm Hopes Foundation, Elite Schools, and we are making computer easier. You are still with your trainer, Aheba Martin. This is my number. At the same time, this is my email address. Remember, we are simplifying Python. We are making it easier, even for the beginners, to start working with it. So what are the differences between Python and C++? So the following table summarizes the differences between Python and C++. So we have one, that is the criteria. We have the criteria here, Python, then C++. Let us see it. So execution, we are starting with the execution. We are saying that Python is an interpreted based programming language. Python programs are interpreted by an interpreter in terms of execution when you want to execute them. Then C++ is a compiler based programming language. C++ programs are compiled by a compiler. So meaning that you need a compiler to run C++, especially when executing C++ programs. So let us continue typing. Python is dynamic typed language, whereas C++ is a static typed language. So typing. So what do we see? What do we say? What do we mean by dynamically typed in Python? We are saying that, for example, let's say you are saying print hello world, meaning that print is a function to print hello world, meaning that it is brought in dynamically, though it is a simple thing, but it is using a function, meaning that the function is a dynamic thing. Then in C++, we are saying that static typed, meaning that if I say if I say C out. So let us continue portability. So let us go to portability. We are saying that portability. So Python is highly portable language. Code written and executed on a system can be easily run on another system. So portability, meaning that code can easily be transferred from one system to another system. So C++ is not a portable language. So code written and executed on a system cannot be run on another system without making changes, meaning that you have to again go on another system and reinstall it, but the other one will directly run. So let us continue and see garbage collection. Python provides a garbage collection feature. You don't need to worry about the memory management. It is automatic in Python. So then in C++, C++ does not provide garbage collection. You have to take care of freeing memories. It's manual in C++, meaning that in Python it is easily done. It is automatically done. But in C++, you have to go and do cleaning, garbage cleaning. So syntax. Python's syntaxes are very easy to read, write, and understand. Then C++ syntaxes are tedious, meaning that they take time. You need to be very, very vigilant. You have to understand each line of code for you to get the syntax of C++. So, my dear friend, thank you so much for watching. Let us continue and see the last in our last slide here. So we are saying that performance. So performance, Python's execution performance is slower than C++. So the speed of execution of C++ code is faster than Python codes. What does we mean here? Python is interpreted, meaning that the execution will go line by line, whereas in C++, it is speeded because the whole code or the whole program is compiled. That is why we're saying that C++ is a compiled language. Then Python is this one is C++ is compiled, whereas Python is a translated language. So this one is translating line by line, whereas in Python it the execution takes line by line. That is translation of line by line. Then in C++, the code or the whole program is compiled at once. So now application areas. So if we continue to application areas, we are saying that Python's application areas are machine learning, web applications, and more. Then C++ application areas are embedded systems, that is device drivers and more. So that is it, all application areas. So my dear friend, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me here at Palm Hopes Foundation. Remember, I'm still your friend, Ahebwa Martin. So this was our tutorial, this was our video, and this is how we have been able to finish our videos or our tutorials about Python programming for beginners. I have been simplifying to make each and every code easier to make each and every statement, to learn the history, what is Python, what it is all about, why should you learn it, advantages, features, and others. So my dear friend, thank you so much for watching. Consider to subscribe, consider to like, consider to share, and even invite more to always attend to such computer content that enables you to fit in the current world. So I will stay as your friend and trainer Aheba Martin. This is my number in case you want to contact me, or my WhatsApp number at the same time. This is my email address. So bye for now.